Igama lami Ovayo Pendu. Ndisebenza as a head coach under 18 YBC Football Club and also assistant coach for first team and also analyst.
Please, mayize isandla nasikusay. Ibeka apha kule ndawo. Because imagine what if istrike asuka pha. Zara ngaphinisa yona. Ngiyapha ball. Ngapha kwenzani? Isikhathi. Zara ngapha ball. So, what if istrike asuka pha kusay? Surprise and then first attack lapha kule ndawo. Abanye thonga ball. But if you search out I power when I'm then I no chance. That's why I'm controlling here now.
Well, firstly, you must be grateful for Baba choose the YBC because there are many clubs Abano chosen to play for. And also for us, it's all about welcoming them. Give freedom to express what they have because for sure, they started playing football at age 8 or 7. So then it's just a matter of giving them the ball, give freedom to express themselves. Then after that, you feel you are correct and go up on a lap or okay, so that bazo fit as a group. And also just guiding them, talk to them about this is how you do, isn't this Chile? And it's mostly freedom, man. They must just enjoy playing. Stressing individuals. So that bazokwazi like ixabaniki pressure. Kulapho bazokwazi babona ngoba bayakwazi na uHenglish. Then after babone bayiHenglish then bayakwazi develop yabo accelerate. So it's not about them being comfortable. It's not about them being comfortable. Now bangabi comfortable to a point where bazoyibona i-division le badlala kuyo easier. No. If you are born like division baba good, then you just promote by going division. You just even if you promote just training to be difficult. So bazobabona ngoba bakhopha kanjani ne-pressure.
Akho xesha lo practice matching. I'll practice the matching. And the most unfortunate thing is that once unganiki apha idlala no first team uzudlala kum. Because it londo le wena xa ufika against opponent awungayazi ibi-trainer ngophi uhlobo uzawututsha.
Well, it's all about banikeze a chance and lucky apha etimini sine head coach ebelievayo kwi-youngsters and also kwi-academy yethu. So it's all about giving them a chance baye phana and it's a motivation itself bangaba batrain no first team okanye babe khona kwi-match day squad ka first team. And also if you look even now football now you can see worldwide bangaba first team now it's not really necessary bangaba ungene xa una 20 over 25 years, even 16 years or 17 years olds sayenza pa. So I think baba motivated. After being motivated, then you was working now.
So please, fully any chance
well, it's about working together. It's not a one-man show because firstly, head coach has to give clear vision. Like I was given a clear vision. Okay, this is my job. This is what I do on a daily basis. And also, yeah, it's quite a enjoyment because like in the ball is called improvement as because I stress myself. I must give the head coach information right. I must give the players information right. Well, juniors, it's all about seeing the players improve as developer. See our first team way to if I see first team way to the academy is right up or we are sure but they will get coaching right. So Rabazo was improve. Most importantly, man, just to see them bedlala at the highest level. Tabela team is just all about seeing them bedlala first team way. 1, 2, 3. Well, luckily, sne chairman ithanda football, sne chairman ene clear vision, ene goals in the team. So it's all about planning because they sit with meetings almost every month to discuss about what's the way forward. The challenge is gone. It's an easy challenges. So it's all about planning and to see how do we solve them. That's the most important thing. It's all about planning.
Komu lena it's more like a game le. Lena it's more like a game le because now ngiyaqalisa ngiyabona. Once oningo bangafuna dribble sangweni ungabaleka ibhola kusangweni. Uzodribble abantu. Uzofuna abantu dribble xa ungazofuna dribble sangweni.
Well, YBC ndifikele kule team coming from Eastern Cape in 2015. I think ndifikele kule team in 2015, so I've been here now for especially the first year I was playing light encinci, but then the move from playing to being a coach at the team. So YBC is a very good club, man. I feel like surrounded ngabantu abaright, our chairman, our amazing chairman, i-coaches zethu and nabantu aba-involved kalapha eklabhini, even ne-players zethu. So YBC is a very good club.
Go,